Welcome to Zeit.shift, the online platform that provides access to digitized historical newspapers and magazines published in the historical region of Tyrol between the 18th and 21st centuries. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to search for a particular item and how to perform a full-text search. First, open the page www.Zeit.shift.eu. To search for a specific newspaper, click on Newspapers and Magazines. On the page that has just opened, search filters including the title filter are listed on the left. To choose one or more newspapers from the title filter, click on Show More. A list of all searchable newspapers and inserts will appear. To alphabetize the list, click on Title. Now, select one or more newspapers that interest you, for example Innsbrucker Nachrichten, and click on Apply. You will now find yourself on the search results page and will see all of the pages of the newspaper you have chosen. The round eye icon provides information about the newspaper, for example the place of publication and its changes over time. The calendar icon opens up an overview of the digitized editions of the newspaper available in the portal, sorted by year, month, and day. Days highlighted in green indicate that the edition is available digitally. Choose the date you are interested in, starting with the year, for example 1922, then search for the month and click on the desired day, for example June 1st. You will now see the digitized pages of the edition of your choice. To view a newspaper page in detail, click on it. Use the arrows to browse through the pages of the edition. By clicking on the plus symbol, you'll activate the zoom function and the page is automatically enlarged. You can save or print the document by clicking on the Download/Print button. Next, you can choose to print or download the full page or a snippet of your choosing in either PNG or PDF format. Click back to return to the list of search results. You can also do a full-text search of terms that appear in the newspapers. Simply type the term you're interested in the search field, for example, Kalterer See, and click on the magnifying glass to the right of the field, or press the Enter key on your keyboard to start your search. The resulting list provides all of the digitized documents in which the search term you typed in appears. You can choose to display the results in small or large panes by clicking on the corresponding symbol in the upper right corner. The small pane view gives you an overview of all search results. The large panel view, on the other hand, provides you with the context in which the search term highlighted in yellow appears. You can narrow your search by applying one or more of the filters shown on the left side of the screen. By choosing, for example, the name of a digitized newspaper, such as Überetsche Gemeindeblatt für Eppern und Kaltern, or Innsbrucker Nachrichten, and the date of publication, for example, from 14th March 1930 to 18th of April 1933, you'll reduce the number of results to a more accurate list. Search results can be sorted as desired, by relevance, year of publication, ascending or descending, and title, alphabetical or reversal alphabetical order. The order in which the results are listed will change accordingly. Once the document of interest is found, click on it for the detailed view. The search term is always highlighted in yellow. In the left half of the screen, it is shown in the digital scan of the document, whereas in the right half of the screen, it is shown in a version of the text obtained through automatic character recognition software. Here too, you have the option of browsing through the pages of the edition and of downloading or printing the digital document. Do you have any questions? Write to us at Zeit.shift@teßmann.it.